Okay, welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing a little modification on the Golf, something I've been a little bit curious about for a while. Now this is a 98 Golf GTI in satin silver metallic. Pretty much want to keep this standard, but I do like the idea of having a black grille. Now I need to get the GTI emblem for the grille, but I think what will make it pop, it's sticking on a black grille. Now I've got this off eBay, used, £15. It's in magic black pearl, so it's got a metallic finish. It's in pretty decent condition. I'll just give it a bit of a clean up. So I'm thinking that would look pretty decent, because pretty much all the Golfs GTIs before the Mark IV and after the Mark IV have got black grills. So yeah, I reckon let's get the old one off, put this one on, and yeah, see what she looks like, because it is a bit too silver. Now, it's been a while since I've took a Mark IV grill off, but from memory I've just got to pull this little bit out, there and there, and then pull it up. There you go. So there's a clip just there. There's one in the bottom there, and it's the same on both sides. So that's the grill loosened off. Now what we need to do is get the bonnet release pull mechanism out. So to undo this pull mechanism, you've got to lift that clip up, it flips over, and then you've just got to get a little spreader tool in there just to open up the gap in between these, and that will come away from the mechanism. Okay, so we've got the old one out. Just going to give it a bit of a clean up behind there, and then we'll put the new one back in. So this is the mechanism I was on about. Once you lift that out the way, you put a screwdriver in, spread the little tab, and they come out of these lugs. It's a bit of fun getting it back in, but pretty easy to do. So it's going to give this a little clean up. Thought that's a crack then. Nope. Yeah, and I'm going to stick some WD-40 on these screws, because if I want to get this bumper off in the future, these generally tend to rust up and snap. Okay, so we've got it all buttoned back up, all the clips in, put the bonnet release in. Had to swap this over from the old one. There's just two little clips on the back, but she's looking pretty good. So let's drop the bonnet. Oh yeah, quite liking the look of that. Yeah, that looks pretty sweet actually, especially with that GTI badge on there and the chrome VW emblem. Yeah, I quite dig that. Even matches the little grills in the bumper, and I think with these, with a R32 bumper, it'll actually look pretty mean. So yeah, I think we'll call that a win. Got the metallic finish as well. Yeah. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, with the black grille or with the silver one. I think it makes the VW badge pop a bit more as well. Oh yeah. That's while we're there, I reckon we should try it with the headlights on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's looking pretty darn good. I'm liking that. Yes. That's a pretty cool mod if you ask me. So there you go, nice easy mod. I think that makes a lot of difference to the car. Like I was saying, pretty much all the other styles of Golfs, all the other marks have a black grille, so yeah, I think it looks pretty sweet on the Mark IV. So I think if we get a GTI emblem there and possibly an R32 bumper, that'll look pretty darn sweet. So that'll do for today. Like the video, get a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you all very soon. Thanks for watching. Peace.